Welcome to another episode. Today we're gonna be exploring a new neighborhood in Hong Kong, Shum Shui Po, and this area is full of food, snacks, cute boutique shops, and the weather is so amazing today. So I'm very looking forward to this since the sun has been hiding for a long time. Going to a really hipster neighborhood, but first we're gonna get some lunch because it's already 2:30 and we haven't eaten anything. We're gonna take you to some really local, authentic Tang with us. See you! This is Rudy's favorite. Taking one bite, I just gained like 100 calories. But it's very good. The bread is very soft. Not too sweet or anything. Good balance of sweetness and savory from the peanut butter. Very delicious. Chili oil is a must. I actually haven't had instant noodle in so long because it's so unhealthy, but since we're here, give it a good mix. If you're lazy like us and wake up very late on a Sunday, come during high tea time, which is from 2 to 6:30, because the price is actually like significantly cheaper, but the portion is still the same, so yeah. Just finished with lunch. It was so filling. And now we're just gonna go to this Jockey Club art building. I'm not exactly sure what's there either because I didn't really do much research, but I suppose there might be some shops and arts to look at, so let's see what we end up with. Guys, so this place is kind of like a smaller scale PMQ, lots of arts and crafts, workshops, exhibitions. Worth a check out if you're in the area. They're so cute. someone wanted a guitar and now he found a guitar for free. Rudy's just walking around with his new guitar. Love these banana cakes, so good. They're like mochis and they're so affordable. This store sells a lot of vintage goods and they have a cat in front of their shop. So we made it to Atliu Street now, which is a famous second-hand electronics street. So this place sells all things scent related. So if you're like planning to make some homemade scents, this is the place to go. Oh my god, this shop has all the cute cats. Oh my god, look at how cute it is. Oh my god, oh my god. How cute is this? So pretty. It's 4,000. Obese. You're so fat, you need to go on a diet. Make sure to check this Midway shop, one of my favorites in the area.
Oh no!
And that's a wrap to our day in Shum Shui Po. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment below which area of Hong Kong you want me to explore next time. Also a note, if you're here to go to the cafes in Shum Shui Po, if you can, try to come on a weekday because it does get very, very crowded on the weekends. So yeah, see you in our next vlog.